Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a poll style post on Facebook. If you want more interaction on your Facebook post, here's how to use it. First, start with a fun or opinion based question, like this example here. What's your weekend mood? React below. Then, list the options using emojis. You can use emojis or reaction, like for example, react heart for binge watching, funny for party night, or sleeping if sleeping all day. Or you can add GIFs to make it more fun and encourage engagement. And with a CTA, like vote with a reaction or drop a GIF in the comments. It's just simple, creative, and boost engagement fast. No need for a pull feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tricks. Thanks for watching.